Welcome to this detailed tutorial on displaying code within a WordPress website. In this guide, you will learn how to navigate through WordPress to access the code editor, allowing you to easily add or modify code on your site. The process is straightforward and designed to take only a few minutes, even if you are new to the platform. Begin by opening your web browser and visiting the WordPress website. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the home page, where you will find the login option. Clicking this login option is the first step in gaining access to your personal WordPress site management area. This simple action ensures that you can start editing your site securely and with proper authentication. After you click on login, you will see an option to sign in using your Google account. This method of signing in is convenient and quick because you simply select the option that says continue with Google. Once you choose this option, a selection window appears displaying the Google accounts available on your device. Carefully choose the account that you have associated with your WordPress site. This authentication process is both secure and familiar for many users as it leverages the streamlined login provided by Google. Once you have successfully signed into your account, you will be presented with your WordPress dashboard. In this area, there is a section typically referred to as Quick Links. Within the Quick Links section, look for an option labeled Edit Site. Clicking on this option takes you directly into the website editor. This part of the interface is designed to provide a comprehensive view of your site's layout and functionality at a glance. It is in this environment that you can make various changes to enhance the appearance and behavior of your site. When you find yourself in the site editor, shift your focus to the upper right corner of the screen. There you will notice an icon indicated by 3 dots. These 3 dots represent a menu that holds a variety of additional settings and options. Clicking on these 3 dots opens up more advanced editing functions that are not immediately visible in the standard view. This step is essential because it allows you to access deeper customization features that enable more precise control over your website. Within the menu provided by the 3 dots, locate the option to access the code editor. The code editor is a powerful tool for anyone looking to display code or insert custom snippets into their WordPress site. Activating the code editor changes the interface to a view that reveals the underlying code structure of your website. This perspective is invaluable when you need to troubleshoot, tweak, or simply display code in a clear and organized manner. The code editor provides a clean environment where modifications can be made confidently. Throughout this tutorial, you have been guided step by step from the moment you open the WordPress homepage, through the login process using your Google account, to navigating the quick links and editing options. Each stage has been explained clearly to ensure that you understand both the what and the why behind every action. The process is designed to be efficient, making it a perfect solution for users who need to display code on their WordPress sites quickly. This tutorial was originally created by Gerix Paul de Lima, and you are now equipped with the knowledge to access and use the code editor within WordPress. By following these instructions, you can seamlessly switch to a code view that supports your development and display needs. Enjoy the enhanced functionality and continue to explore the many features that WordPress offers to customize and improve your website.